Hi, I'm Jeff Lieber, founder of Turnkey Product Management, where we help Amazon sellers take their business to the next level. We sell over 8 figures per year with our clients, and what we're sharing here on YouTube is all of the latest strategies that's what's working today. So if you need Amazon customer review generation strategies, or what's the latest growth strategy on Amazon to boost rankings, PPC strategies, we're going to cover what's actually working for us, and because we're in the day-to-day every day on Amazon with our clients, and we're going to be sharing what we're learning here on this YouTube channel. Sometimes we'll interview other Amazon experts and get to pick their brain, and so make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel because you don't want to miss any of the updates. As you know, Amazon changes all the time, and you need to be up to date if a major change happens, and that's what we're going to be sharing here. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the updates, and we're looking forward to helping you take your business to the next level.